everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change or create your Riot ID through your Riot Games account. It is a simple process, so let's get started. Head over to riotgames.com, click on sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Log in to your Riot account using your credentials. Once signed in, click your profile icon, then select settings. On the first settings page, you will see your Riot ID and tagline. If you haven't set one yet, now is the time to create your Riot ID and tagline. If you already have one, you can change it here. Just remember, you can only change it once every 30 days. Enter your new Riot ID and tagline. Then click Save Changes. That's it. Your new Riot ID is now active, and you will see the next available date for changes if you want to update it again in the future. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it helped, and I will see you in the next one.